Hello viewers, this is Mehdi Hassan and welcome to our channel again. So in this video, we will describe about a hydropower plant with solar panel. So let's check the full operation of our project first. First of all, we designed here a hydropower plant and it's our hydropower plant turbine, and here this rotation will be shifted to our generator, and this generator will generate DC voltage that will show in our indicator light, and we use here a solar system, and this solar voltage will be shown in this indicator light, and this all generated voltage will be stored in this battery, and this battery voltage will be used here to operate our all components. You see here that our system is on now, and LCD is showing different types of data, and here also showing the participants name, and here we will show our solar voltage hydropower plant voltage daytime light off. So it's our street light operation, so that's showing here that it's daytime and that's why light is off now. So now solar voltage is 2.87 and indicator light showing that, and when we insert a torch light into our solar panel, at that moment our solar voltage will be increased here. So you see here that our solar voltage is 4.22 volt now, and it will be increased if you provide more light to our solar panel. So it's 4.99 volt, and if the sunlight will be removed from this solar panel, at that moment this output voltage will be reduced again. So we remove this torchlight. So you see here that our solar voltage is now 2.20. So it's our room light voltage, and now we cover our solar panel by using a pad, and it's showing 0.18 volt. That means there are no light in our solar panel. So now we will remove this pad again, so our solar voltage will be increased. It's 2.26 volt. Now we will show the operation of our hydropower plant, and in this system we use here two water pump to make sure proper water supply or continuous water supply to our turbine, and for that reason we need to make sure a continuous power supply from our AC source. And you see here that by the support of water flow speed, this turbine is rotating now, and by using this rotation our DC motor will generate DC voltage, and that will be stored in our battery, and this generated voltage is showing in a indicator light and also showing in our LCD display that our hydropower plant voltage is 5.54, and you see it's 6.86 now, and our rotation is properly working here, and that's why we get this output voltage. So in this system we designed here a automatic street light control system by using a LDR. So when we covered this LDR, at that moment it will be count as a night. At that moment this street light will be turned on, and when it will removed from this LDR, at that moment our street light will be turned off. That means it's a daytime. So this LDR will be detect day and night time by using the brightness of daylight. So in this system our SMPS is only used for make sure power supply for our water pump. So thank you so much for staying with us for a long time. So if you want to make this project, then you can contact with us. Our all details will be included in our description. So thanks again and Allah Hafiz.